Divi 5 gives you more control over your markup than ever before, without forcing you to leave the visual builder or write any custom templates. Along with semantic elements, Divi 5 also introduces custom HTML wrappers with two new fields called HTML before and HTML after. And these fields let you inject valid HTML directly around any element, acting like two built-in code modules that attach exactly where you need them. Now, if you want to deep dive and learn more about this, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend you check out our blog post. I'm sure you'll find it really helpful. So for this example, we are going to take this page and here we want to add some label over this image, and we are going to use custom CSS and custom HTML wrappers, and both built inside the Divi Visual Builder. So first, make sure from the breadcrumbs here on the top right corner, you are at the page settings, and then go to advanced. And here we need to click custom CSS. And now we are going to add a custom CSS, which is only applicable for this page. Now, if you want to follow along with me in this tutorial, go ahead and check out the link given in the video description below, and this will take you to our blog post here. So this is also going to be helpful if you want to deep dive in learning how this custom HTML wrapper works. So for now, we just scroll down here, and if we click on the step-by-step guide, this is the CSS code that we need to copy. So let's go ahead and copy this code first, and we come back here in our Visual Builder and paste the code here. And now let's click on save. And now in order to add our custom label over this image, we just click on settings for this module, then go to advanced, and here we have HTML. Let's click on this. And now we have two options. We can choose element type, which is by default as div. Along with that, we also have HTML before and HTML after wrapper. And that's the point where we need to enter our HTML code. So for that, we again come back to our blog post to copy our code. So this is the code that we need to copy for the before field. So once the code is copied, let's come back here in our editor and we paste the code inside the HTML before tag. And now after HTML, we just need to close this div tag that we have started here. So we simply type in the closing code here like that, and then click on save. And if we refresh the front end, this is how our label will look over the image here. So this is how easy it is to use custom HTML wrappers and add any custom code inside your page layout. Divi's code module is still incredibly useful, but custom HTML wrappers solve a different problem. Let's compare them. Point number 1. Structural placement and wrapping. A custom code module exists as its own block in the layout. It cannot wrap around modules or inject markup inside an element's output. Custom HTML wrapper are attached directly to the elements itself. They let you open tag before the element and close them after, creating a true parent wrapper. And this level of precision simply isn't possible with a standalone code module. Number 2, wrapping modules for effects beyond native options. Now wrappers unlock effect that goes beyond Divi's native design controls. Because you are creating a true enclosing parent, you can target that wrapper with advanced CSS techniques like pseudo element, clip path, gradient overlays, and complex animations. And number 3, clear HTML output and layout simplicity. Using code module for small injection often leads to extra nesting and visual clutter in the builder. Custom HTML wrappers keep everything contained within the element itself, producing cleaner HTML output, simple layout, and easy to maintain. Use code module for standalone content and use wrappers for precision and interaction. So custom HTML wrapper give Divi users the precision they always wanted. What once required workflow, extra module, or child theme hacks can now be done clearly, effectively, and with better performance. If you are building advanced layouts or want deeper control over your markup, this feature is going to be a game changer. Make sure you check out the blog post that we're going to link in the video description below. And for more Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.